Let's talk about Jati Swaram. Jati Swaram is done with no expression and is a combination of Jati and Swaram. A Jati Swaram is purely Nitra, which means no expression, and it is an item that is performed on Swarams, which means notes, as opposed to the Sahityam, which means lyrics. It is a completely rhythmic dance piece. Jati Swaram goes well with a simple set of basic steps. The Ragam is Saveri and the Talam is Rupagam. Now, Harini is welcome to perform the dance item for us. Take it away, Harini. Let's welcome Durga to perform a special piece called Tilana for us.
Dirana adr tani tom ta dirana ditano tanata dirana adr tani tom ta dirana ditano tanata dirana adr tani tom ta dirana ditano tanata dirana adr tani Dirana ராணி தோந்த தீரனா. रामनाथपुरबालकुटौ मुत्तुरामलिंग राजेन्द्र विभुनि अभिरामि दयमुगा रक्षजुनिवारागिराज राजेश्वरि शङ्करि रामनाथपुरबालकुटौ मुत्तुरामलिंग राजेन्द्र विभुनि अभिरामि दयमुगा रक्षजुनिवारागिराज राजेश्वरि शङ्करि रामनाथपुरबालकुटौ मुत्तुरामलिंग राजेन्द्र विभुनि अभिरामि दयमुगा रक्षजुनिवारागिराज राजेश्वरि शङ्करि राम सखित निरिधनि रकदिनि रकजौ रामनदा सखित जौ सकताम सखित निरिधनि रकदिनि रकजौ रामनदा सखित जौ सकत जौ जौ मादेरि रकिरजौ निरव रदनरि मादेरि रनिरदि गिरगन तलिरना रानी सोम रीरना रजतनोदनत दिरना 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 तनो तनक दिरना तनो तनक दिरना.
జం తడిత తడిత ధన తకనక జం తడితై తడిత జను తాహత జం తడిత తకనక జం తడితై తాహత జం తడి తకనక జం తడిత దింగిన్న తుం తద్దింగిన్న తుం కడతక తరగడుతుంట కడతక తరగడుతుంట కడతక తరగడుతుం జను దిమితాం కడతక తరగడతాం దిత్తరితణ జను దిమితాం కడతక తరగడతాం తద్దిత్తరితణ జను దిమితాం తక దిక్కు తదిగిన్నతం తక్క తజ్జం తద్దింగిన్నతం తాం తదజ్జం తద్దింగిన్నతం తరిత తజ్జం కడతక తరగడతాం
படகையிலையில் முன்னாள் மாமுனி கருள் செய்தபடி தவறாமல் தில்லை பதில் வந்து தை மாதத்தில் குரு போஷத்தில் பகல் நேரத்தில் தத்துவம் என்று நடனம் ஆடினார். வெகு நாகரீகமாகவே கனக சபையில் ஆனந்த நடனம் ஆடினார். அண்ட மதிர கங்கை துளி சிதற பொல்லாடரும் கொண்டாட இட்டமுடனே கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் பாட ஜடையாட அரவ படமாட தோளில் தொடியாட தொந்தோம் என்று பதவிகள் தந்தோம் என்று இட்டமுடனே கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் பாட ஜடையாட அரவ படமாட தோளில் தொடியாட தொந்தோம் என்று பதவிகள் தந்தோம் என்று தாம் தகிட தகஜம் தகணம் தரிதோம் தரிதை நிமித தகதோம் ததனம் தரினம் தரித தினு தினு ததித்லாம் தித்லாம் தி தாரத ஜனு ஜனு ததீதி உகுதைய தைய ததிமித கிட தகதா ரஜனு ததிமித கிட கிடதாம் திக்கிட கிடதை தத்தோம் என்று நடனம் ஆடினார். வெகு நாகரீகமாகவே கனக சபையில் ஆனந்த நடனம் ஆடினார். வெகு நாகரீகமாகவே கனக சபையில் ஆனந்த நடனம்
It is an immense pleasure to see our child bloom with the guidance of her teacher, Guru Vidya Lakshmi. I thank you once again, Guru Vidya Lakshmi, and to the director, Mr. Gopalan of Sitaram Arts Academy for giving this privilege to us. We also would like to extend our thanks to Ms. Jayanti Gopalan, Ms. Srinath Gopalan, Ms. Aishwarya Gopalan, Mr. Srinivasan, and Ms. Durga Devi Gunalan for giving us a wonderful performance today. And also to Ms. Sharvina for hosting the event within a short time. She had to prepare and she hosted it with style. So thank you, Sharvina. Thank you to our family and friends who are here watching us via the web portal. Without your support and well wishes, this would not have been possible. We are obliged to Mr. Deva of Prapti Events for sharing their beautiful space with us. I thank you all once again for making this event a successful and a memorable one. Thank you. As a token of appreciation, I would like to give a small memento to Ms. Durga Devi and Ms. Sharvina. Thank you.
Thank you for my Guru Vidya Lakshmi for making my day very special. And I want Vidya Lakshmi Akka to come here.
First, I want to thank Harini's mother and father. ஏன்னா கொஞ்ச நாளே வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு இந்த ஈவெண்ட் வந்து இவ்வளோ நல்லா நடத்துறதுக்கு they helped me a lot. And special thanks to Harini. ஏன்னா எப்போ ப்ராக்டிஸ் கூப்பிட்டாலும் like after school she used to come and she used to practice for hours in like tiring-ஆக இருந்தாலும் she used to practice a lot. And I hope அந்த performance ரொம்ப நல்லா வந்திருக்குன்னு. So I thank director of Sitaram Arts, Gopalan. So we missed them here, but I thank everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
you.